Have I ever told you about my son? Remarkable boy. Quite smart. He was born in a robot factory in the Solana galaxy. But to be precise, he was created much farther away. My son's name is XJ0461, but the universe knows him as Clank.
Sir, the Zoni are inquiring about our progress.
How much longer must we pretend to be friends with those twits?
Sire does not remember. You must fix.
Yes, I'm fixing.
Stand by for sister board scan.
Alright, let's see. Favorite color's green, favorite number's 83 billion and 4.7, blah, blah, blah.
Access denied. Neural safeguard activated.
No! Locked out again! Get in here, Lawrence. Somewhere in this brain lies the key to the Orvis chamber.
No Orvis chamber.
Your zoniness! If we could take but a peek at the chamber.
No Orvis chamber. Chamber is for Sire only.
Very well. Then I think it's time our partnership came to an end. Say hello to...
Not the hypersonic brainwave scrambler.
the Hypersonic Brainwave Scrambler!
Apologies, sir. I should have mentioned the equipment is especially susceptible to sonic weaponry.
Backup generator activated.
What the? He's awake! Stop him!
He's here.
Clank! What are you doing, Clank? Why are you still going in this ship? Robot to robot! He's here! In all groups, located at the door!
Sir, the troops are attempting to atomize Clank.
Sir! Over here! Listen carefully. I'm your only hope of escaping Dr. Nefarious. Head into the air ducting. Keep moving!
Sir, the security locks in Sector 1 have been activated. Our units are unable to proceed.
Good! You're safe for now!
Where am I? What is Dr. Nefarious doing here?
I'll explain everything as soon as you're safe, sir. But right now, we need to calibrate your ocular response processes. Try looking at the ocular scanner on your left. Good. Okay, now look at the one on the right. Got it. All right, look at the scanner above you. Good. Now, there's one more beneath you. Got it! You're recalibrated. Now, keep moving. I'll hold them off as long as I can.
Malfunction detected in 0-point energy generator. Alpha Standby. Time anomalies detected on planet Jacinthe.
Sir, the registry shows that the number of Zoni has dwindled from 117,000 to 205.
Zoni! Come back! I was only kidding! Come on! We had some good times, didn't we? Remember when I told you where your new master was and you kidnapped him? Priceless!
There's a perfectly logical explanation for that, but let's save it for another time. Punch through them, sir. They belong to Dr. Nefarious.
You contemptible robot! When I get my hands on you, I'll rip that stone of yours off and pull out your brain with my bed!
Ingenious tough talk, sir. I'm sure he...
Hurry up, sir! Use your helipack!
Warning. Quantum stabilizers offline. Time systems vulnerable.
They're on their way, sir! You have to move!
Come here.
Sir, Clank is in Impulse Substation 6.
Sir, up here, quickly!
Order them to get through!
Subject acquired.
Quick! They're right on your tail! Get covered, sir! I have an idea. I'm going to put the hypersonic brainwave scrambler into the room! Hurry! Before the energy dissipates!
We should be friends.
Good job, sir! Now keep moving!
Temporal catastrophe detected in 3, 2, 1.
What are you going to do if you escape? I doubt that protection is long enough to fly you all the way to Polaris. I'll make you a deal. You show me how to get into one tiny, insignificant room, and I'll let you keep that pathetic tangle of brain wires
Unauthorized
that you
sonic
call a
device in
brain.
Sector 7.
I have located the subject. You weren't just kidding, do you?
Oh no! This is terrible! All of Orbis's work ruined! I can't believe I let this happen!
Come here, robot.
Sir, we've located the caretaker's signal. He's in the Sector 1 broom closet.
Flash it down! Give out a transmission!
Sir, they've locked me in! Keep moving and don't let them anywhere near the chamber!
Clock integrity critical.
Go ahead! Jump!
Dr. Nefarious, I should have known you were behind this. Where have you taken me?
You don't recognize it? This is your home! The Great Clock! A marvel of science and sorcery, engineered by the brightest Sony in all of existence, and constructed in the exact center of the universe! Give or take 50 feet.
I am curious. What lie did you tell the Zoni in your quest for vengeance?
Vengeance! You think I went to all this trouble for mere vengeance? They say I'm egomaniacal. Let's just say it's all in the past. Lawrence!
Right here, sir.
Ready the orb of gratuitous immobilization.
Shall I prepare the mnemonic station again?
No, I have a better idea.
But, sir...
Patience, Lawrence. We have all the time in the universe.
Space. It's huge. So huge, in fact, that if you lost your car keys in it, they would be almost impossible to find. Luckily for Ratchet, Captain Copernicus L. Quark was on the case. His mission, rescue the Lombax's one and only friend. Yep, without Clank, Ratchet was alone in the universe. Alone. Alone. Alone.
You realize this ship has an ejector seat, right?
Sorry. I guess you could say I've been a little antsy in my pantsy at the thought of getting back into the hero business. Yep. These wild stallions have been in the stable too long.
Right. Look, just keep your eyes peeled. Talon says this sector's crawling with mercenaries.
Rest easy, my friend. My vigilance is both eternal and peripheral.
Warning! Warning! Unidentified anomaly detected.
Hang on. Shifting to a basic maneuver.
Oh no! We're gonna die! We're gonna die! Oh, good thing I'm wearing clean underwear!
Will you shut up? We are not gonna die! Aphelion! Engage gravimetric stabilizers!
Negative. Stabilizers offline. Thrusters offline. Landing flaps offline.
Alright, so we're gonna die. Hang on!
I know. So much for clean underwear.
Where the heck are we?
Beats me. Perhaps a leisurely stroll through this uncharted jungle will solve the mystery.